Ready to unlock the power of data visualization? Let's dive into the core components of the Tableau interface, which is your command center for turning raw data into insightful visuals. First, we'll kick off with the start page here. You are greeted with options to connect to data sources. You'll also find recent workbooks and sample workbooks to play around with. You can connect to different data forms, such as spreadsheets, databases, or cloud services. At the top, we have the menu bar. This is your gateway to accessing various Tableau functions. The File menu offers options for saving, opening, and publishing workbooks. The Data menu allows you to manage and refresh your data connections. The Worksheet, Dashboard, and Story menus are for creating and arranging visualizations, while Analysis and Map provide advanced functionalities, and Format gives you formatting options. Below the menu bar is the toolbar. This provides quick access to frequently used actions. You'll see buttons for saving your work and doing, redoing actions, refreshing data, and switching between different views like worksheets, dashboards, and stories. Also, you can toggle between different charts and formatting options. Now, look at the left side. You'll see the side panel. It's split into the data pane and the analytics pane. The data pane lists all your data fields, and the analytics pane provides tools for adding reference lines, bands, and other insights to your visualizations. The big central area is where the magic happens. The worksheet, it's where you'll build your visualizations by dragging and dropping the data fields. Above the design area are the columns and rows sections that allows specifying the structure of your visualization. Finally, at the bottom, you'll find the status bar. It displays information about your current view, such as the number of rows and any filters applied. It also gives you some hints about the next possible steps. This helps create visualizations in an organized way. Mastering the Tableau interface is the first step toward creating compelling data stories. With these key elements in your grasp, you are now ready to explore this fantastic software. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep learning more. Happy visualizing!